Dave Staublin here. Let's do some good math. I'm going to show you how to create a box and whisker plot using Desmos. So the first thing we need is a list of data. So we need to name the list. I'm going to call it letter L, an equal sign, a square bracket, which is next to the letter P on your keyboard, and then we enter our data. So I'm going to enter 10 numbers separated by commas. 39, 39, 40, 40, 41, 43, 46, 48, 50, and 53, and then can close the list. So we have 10 elements in our list, or 10 numbers, and now we can create the box and whisker. To do this, you type the word box plot and open parenthesis. And now we have to put our list of numbers represented by that letter L, and you will see that over here we have our box and whisker. Now you can press the zoom fit button, which is the magnifying glass, and it will zoom in right on the box and whisker. And if you desire, you can go to settings and you can add a label, number of cars, and it'll label the x-axis too. So there we go. Hope that was helpful.